Hey everybody, I'm Tony DeMakis at Alliance Specialties, and I'm here with Mike Zender, who runs our mold maintenance and repair department. Mike, tell us a little bit about the team that you have working for us.
We got a great team here. We have Tom Frano and Richard Gross, Bob Dornbush, and Grant Schwartz. And we all work together to really identify any issues, and we do our best to be timely with our repairs and maintenance the tools that customers need.
Yeah, and I think what's great is between you and Tom and Richard specifically, we've got multiple years of experience. I mean, these are top level mold makers that are now focused on mold repair to make sure that your tools are up and running.
Absolutely. You know, we have a handful of great years in here worth of experience that really helps us stay diversified and work together to help whatever the customer's needs might be.
So what are some of the things that we see on a day-to-day basis?
We see a lot of damage to molds. And we try to always give customers a good assess of their damage. We try to help them out with, from a wide variety of repairs, from big to small, and we try to do the best we can in giving them the parts that they need.
And I think one of the things that makes us unique, right, is that we have mold makers on the premises. So if something comes in and it's damaged, we've got you, we've got Tom, we've got Rich, we've got Jerry, we've got a whole team of people that can take a look at the tool, assess what's going on, and then send it out to the different departments to get what needs to be done to speed up turnaround times and deliveries for our customers.
In today's world, we gotta meet the high demands of the production scheduling, and we try to work with our customers to achieve the goals that they need in a timely fashion.
Yeah, so everything from flash on parting lines and something that's just completely smashed, right? The guys are constantly finding new ways to do things, whether that's reverse engineering something, which is not ideal, right? If we have drawings and files and computer programs, that's always are always beneficial. But we have been known to have to reverse engineer things to really dig into what the root cause is and make those parts and get those things back up and running.
Absolutely. We try to interpret what we can, and then go from there. So we've tried to make that a success as much as possible.
And one of the things that we're trying to encourage our customers to do is really take advantage of the preventative maintenance side of things, not just the repair side of things, right? So if you're running a tool over and over and over and over again, there's some damage and some wear and tear that happens to that tool, yeah?
Sure, absolutely. So we do see a lot of molds that come in. We've seen all the varieties. We do have a handful of customers that we do currently service their molds for PMs, which we work with them to make sure that we're investigating the mold and finding any little small detailed flaws or anything that may need to be repaired. And if not that, we're just also helping disassemble the molds, get them all clean and back to fresh, ready to run status, and including a great catalog of whatever the customer may need. And
like you, our goal is full cavitation, right? When you're running a tool, we want full cavitation. We want 100% parts. If it's not 100% parts, there's something wrong inside the tool, right? And if one goes out, there's a good chance that 2, 3, 4, 5, any number of them are going to go out and be bad parts because something's just not right. So if you let us take a look at it on a regular basis, we can make sure that you're getting that full cavitation on a regular.
Absolutely. The regular routine maintenance is just as beneficial as changing the oil in your car.
Yeah. And what's nice is if it's routine, if it's scheduled, it's on a timeline. It's not an emergency all the time, which means it's going to be more affordable, it's going to be faster, and it's not going to cost you parts. It's not going to cost you downtime because it's all scheduled in the meantime. So send us that tool before you need to send us that tool. Let's do regular maintenance for it. Let's keep it up to date. Think of it like your teeth, right? If you only go to the dentist when you need a root canal, it's painful and expensive. If you go for a cleaning, it's a really, really pleasant experience.
Absolutely.
Thanks for watching. If you need anything from Alliance, we're here to help you.
Have a great day.